What's up, everybody? How's it going? Long time no see. I've been very busy. The month of August, actually July into August, has been, actually the entire summer has been just nonstop. Like, I went to Europe, and then was Peru, and then I came back to Mexico City, and then I went home for 2 weeks, went back to Chicago for 2 weeks, and then I moved to Mexico City. So I live here now, like officially live here. So I wanted to make a video explaining why I moved to Mexico City. So I gotta give you a little bit of history. So I visited this city. You can actually watch my videos and kind of like see it all coming together. So I visited for the first time back in October, and I was only here for a night because I was going from, I think I was going from like Guadalajara to Tulum, and I came here for a night for like a 24-hour layover. Not even full 24 hours, just like a little layover. That night, the night I was here, I was like, okay, I kind of dig the city. And then I just kept coming back. I think in total, I did in the last, since October, I've been back maybe 7 or 8 times, all for different amounts of times, but I just kept coming back here, kind of using it like a base. And like I said, you can go watch my videos, you can see that I've been here a lot. So basically around like, oh shit, a bug just flew on my glasses. Around April, May, I was like, okay, I'm gonna be ready. I'm done. Like, I'm not done, but like I needed a break from backpacking, hostels. So I was like, okay, I'm gonna I'll do my year. Have done it for a year, and then I'm gonna move. So my year was, I left home August 1st. So August 1st, 2022 would have been my year. And I was actually home for my 1 year. I was back in Chicago, but I just knew that I was done backpacking and I was done with hostels and I wanted to just settle down. So I was like, okay, I'll just settle down in Mexico City. So I got this idea in my head around like May, and then I like started to like put the pieces together really, but it didn't take much, honestly. Like, I just had to like decide on doing it, and then I started looking for apartments on Facebook and like Craigslist. So I went on Facebook and I found this room, looked great, went to see it, and signed a lease while I was in Chicago, because I saw it before I left for Chicago, and then I signed it in Chicago. And then when I came back, I had like a week and a half to kill before I could move in, so I didn't move until the 15th. And I did an apartment tour. I will show y'all, I will cut my apartment tour. It's pretty quick, but I'll show y'all where I'm living at now. And yeah, so now I live here, and I'm really excited because I already know a few people who live here, and I've already met a few more people since I've like officially moved in. So it's been a week since I moved into my apartment. And it's been cool. I live in Roma Norte, which, if you're familiar with the city, Roma Norte is like the more like expat-y, foreigner, gentrified part of Mexico City, but it's beautiful. Like, I'm sitting in this park right now filming this video, and this park is beautiful. I will show y'all the park. Hold on. Yeah, so I signed a 6-month lease, like I said, so I'll be here until the end, like middle or end of February. So I'm just excited to see what happens. Like, I have already been to the city. Like I said, I know people, I kind of know a few places to go, but I'm just excited to like be here for 6 months and like really get to see like where can I take myself, who am I gonna meet, where am I gonna go, what am I gonna do while I'm here. And that's just exciting. Like, this is my first time living out of the country. Like, yeah, I traveled, but like, no, I like live out of the country, and I'm only fucking 24. Like, I'll be 25 in October, and I'm already like living out of the country. It's fucking crazy, and I'm so fucking proud of myself for sticking to it and like just staying focused, I guess. I don't know. I'm going to be doing more videos because they're not going to be travel vlogs anymore. It's going to be more lifestyle, back to like just getting settled in to life here. So I haven't really picked up any hobbies or anything like that yet. There's a few things that I want to do once I get a little more settled in, that I want to like do to kind of occupy my time, so I'm not just like sitting around as much. So yeah, we'll see what happens. I'm really excited to I'm just excited. Like, I can say it 1,000 times, but it's like, it's just crazy to actually be here, because like I said, I've been here a bunch of times, but like to actually live here and like have an apartment to go back to, and like have I don't know, and like pay rent, like this, it's crazy. But I'm really like excited and looking forward to like what life has in store for me for these next 6 months. And like, who knows, like, people are already asking me like how long are you gonna stay, like, are you only staying 6 months, or are you gonna go next, are you gonna come back? And I'm like, I can't answer that question. Like, I don't know who I'm gonna be in 6 months. I don't know what's gonna happen in the next 6 months, so I can't tell you where I'm gonna be and where I'm gonna want to go in 6 months. But like, the beauty of it is the freedom to like not know and like be okay with that, you know? Like, some people need to know where they're gonna be in a year or whatever, but I'm like, as long as I know where I'm gonna be, you know, for the foreseeable future, then that's enough for me. Like, I'm not looking to like settle down forever. And like, Mexico City's dope now, but Maybe I'll visit somewhere else or go somewhere else in the next 6 months that I'm like, okay, now I want to live here. And that's okay. So stay tuned. It's going to get real interesting. What's up, guys? How's it going? I'm back in Mexico City. I left Chicago. I was there for 2 weeks. Home, back in Mexico City, and I'm moving into my apartment right now. So let's go. Okay, so I'm officially moved in, and I'm gonna do an apartment tour since I have the apartment myself already on the first night. I met one roommate so far. The other two are out of town. They'll be back whenever. Okay, so this is the entryway. There's 2 closets right here, and then you walk in, and this is the living room, dining room, dog toys. It's a hallway to the bedrooms. Over here, we have a balcony. Cool, it's raining right now. The other side of the living room, cool little mirror. All right, and then this is the kitchen. I think it's a standard kitchen from Mexico, honestly, pretty nice. Pantry, refrigerator, and that is a door to one of the roommates' bedrooms, and like there's a little terrace out there too. That's where the dog lives. Okay, and then come down this hallway. This is the bathroom. This is my bathroom that I share with one other roommate. This is one of my roommate's room, and this is another closet. It's actually empty. I just put something in there. I put like the packaging for my bedding, but yeah, this closet was completely empty. That's another roommate's room, and this is my room, still getting it together. This is bed, window, pretty blank desk. I was working from there earlier. This is my closet. I'm still kind of moving everything in. Actually, this is everything. I have nothing else, so I don't know what I'm saying. Moving shit in. This is all my backpack, suitcase. Everything is unpacked. So yeah, that's everything. I would say it's about the same size as my room tour in Chicago, which if you want to know what my room looked like in Chicago, I have a room tour video posted. It's an older video before I started traveling, but go check that out. See how I was living back home. And then yeah, so first night here, I just took a shower and I'm just kind of chilling out, but I'm gonna get food once the rain stops. It's been raining all since like 7, and it's like 9 now. So I'm gonna go get food later, and yeah, just get kind of settled in. There's like tape and stuff on the wall that I gotta figure out how to get that off. I guess the guy had posters. So yeah, my new apartment. I'll be here for 6 months. I signed a 6-month lease, so it's August now, so I'll be here until like the end of February, I think, something like that. So I'm really excited to be settled down in Mexico City. But yeah, I live here now. That's fucking crazy. Fucking crazy.